Hi guys, today's video I'm going to show you that how you can automate all of your social media platforms inside from Claude by using Seedance 2.0. So right now, if I say to my Claude that make a POV video on this topic and upload that to my Facebook, Instagram, YouTube and also X, and then I go to send, you can see that it generated the video and now it uploaded to all of my social media platforms as I said it. And in this video I'm going to show you step by step how you can also do this. So make sure you watch the video, and after watching this video I believe that you can also set the system inside your Claude. So first of all, you have to come to Claude, and here you can see that I'm inside my Claude. And the first thing we want to talk about is the scale, because in here you can't directly get access to the Seedance 2.0 inside from Claude. You need to get help from an MCP tool. So in here I'm using the /POV video scale, which is this one. So if I kind of like show you that directly, just going to my customizations, and here you can see that there's the scale in here. It kind of like connecting some tools, and that actually giving us access to do this thing. The first thing is to generating the video. As I told you, we're using the Seedance 2.0, and to generate the video in here, it's using the Kai AI MCP tool. So I had given all of the links of the tools I'm mentioning in this video in the description so that you can get these things very easily. So the first tool in here, which is the Kai AI, and it's kind of like an AI model platform where you can get access to multiple models at the same time. So if I kind of like show you AI image API, you can see like bunch of AI models, and the same thing with the AI video API. And in here, the best model right now for video generation is the Seedance 2.0, because Sora 2 is now banned for some reasons. So that's why we have to go to the best model. So that model actually work in this way. You can actually give frames, and also you can give prompts, and also if you want you can give kind of like reference images. After the duration you can generate like from 4-second to 15-second videos, but in here we want to generate like 10-second videos because that's ideal for all of the platforms. That's why. So basically what's gonna happen in here, I already say that what it really have to do. About the POV video publisher, it have to use the Kai AI to generate the video, and then it have to upload that to all the social media platforms by using another MCP tool. So basically in here the skill will work in a specific way. For example, when user will ask to make a POV video, then only this skill will be activated. Otherwise this skill will not be activated. And also the user have to give the topic, that in which topic the user want to make the video. And the second thing is user also have to mention that which platforms the user want to upload the videos on, and only based on these two topics Claude will use this skill automatically by itself, and it will generate the video, and then it will show that to the user, you know what, I generated this video, do you want me to go with this video? If yes, then I'll upload that to all of your selected social media platforms. So let me show you how this thing really works. And before that, if you need that skill, then you'll get that inside the Hello AI community. So I've given the link of this community in the description. So basically that's my AI educational community. If you want to learn more about AI, then you can join in this community. So after joining in this community, when you go in the classroom section like this, then you only have to go to the skill section, Claude skills, and here you'll get all of the skills. So in this case, we need the automated POV or video skill. So after coming here, you have to just go in the resources, then you have to go with get this skill, and then you can download that in your device. And after downloading, you simply have to come to the Claude, and then you have to go to the customizations, and here you only have to go to the skills, and after that go with plus, then go with create a skill, and after that go with upload a skill. And here you simply have to upload the skill that you downloaded from the community, and that's it. After that you'll see that the POV video publisher skill will be enabled in your Claude, and you can easily upload any video just inside from the Claude. So after adding this skill with the Claude, now you have to set up that only for one time, and for that I'll go with /POV video publisher, which is this one. Okay, and after that I'll say that I want to set up this skill. Let me go with send. So what's gonna happen, I want to set up that as I requested. It will pull up like all the informations that it really needed to set up this exit skill inside this Claude. So basically we need to give the API keys of the MCP tools in our using. First thing is the Kai AI, and also we're using a second tool which is called the upload post. Also we have to give that. So in here you can see that it's saying I want the Kai AI API key. So I already had given the link in the description. So you have to just come here inside the Kai AI, and then you have to go with this one, then go with like market, and here you can easily get your API key. For that, at first go with API keys, and here you can create a one. Just go with create new API key. I'll go with new one, and then go with create. So what's gonna happen, it will give me an API key like this. I'll just go with copy, and then I'll go to my Claude here, and then I'll say that here's the Kai AI API key. Okay, and then I'll go with post, and then I'll go with send. So now it's asking me what is your upload post API key. So in here, the upload post is kind of like a MCP tool, and through that we're getting the connection to our all of the social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, you name it, like, you know, Twitter, like bunch of other social media platforms. So what you have to do is, like, again, I've given this tool link in the description. So you have to just kind of like click that and you'll come in this exact website. So here's the tool I'm talking about. And the first thing about the tool is that it's not free. Basically they will give you like 10 times upload limit every month. And after that, if you want to upload more than 10 times, you have to go with one of the plans. And after that, you have to go with the user sections, and here you have to add your profiles. So you can see that I already added my profile, which is the Rakin, and here I added all of my social media platforms. You can see like TikTok, Instagram, LinkedIn, YouTube, Facebook, X, Pinterest, Reddit, Threads, Blue Sky, and also the Google Business. So in this case, we don't need the Google Business, but we can use the rest of the platforms for the content upload. So right now, how you can add your profile? It's very easy. Just here, you have to just come here, add new profile, and let's assume that my name is Steve. Okay, and then I'll go with add the profile. What's gonna happen? It will add a profile named as Steve, and here we have to add all the social media platforms. For example, in here, I want to add the Facebook. All I have to do, just click the Facebook, and then it will ask for some permissions, like which account I want to go with, kind of like this thing. I can see that's my account. I'll go with yes. And in here, the most important thing is that when you actually go with the Facebook, you can't upload that to your personal Facebook profile. Instead, you have to upload that to your Facebook page. So in this case, that's my Facebook page. I'll go with continue, and then also I'll go with all options, then I'll go with continue again. So that's how you have to set up the platforms. You can see that like how easy it is to set up a single platform. So like this, I can set up my Instagram, YouTube, and all the platforms. So I already did that with the Rakin. I'll use this exit profile. But to do that, also I need the API keys. And for that, I'll go to my API keys section, and then I'll connect my API keys. For that, I'll go with create a key, and here I'll just go with new one again. And here I'll just go with create API key. After that, I'll just copy the API key, which is this one, copy. And then I'll go to my Claude here, and then I'll say that here's the upload post API key, and let me go with send. So I can see it's asking me what's your upload post profile name. So if I go to my again upload post, and then if I go to my users, so here you can see that's my profile name, which is Rakin. I'll just copy that, and then I'll simply paste that inside my Claude. That's it. And right now also it will ask for the resolution, like what kind of resolution I want to go with. About the resolution, if you go with very high resolution, then it will cost you more money. But if you choose a less resolution, then it will cost you the least amount of money. In this case, as you can see that we want to generate like 10-second videos, and if the resolution is 480 pixel, then it will cost us $0.5 for every video. If we go with 720 pixel, then it will cost us 1.25 per video. If we go with 1080 pixel, then it will cost us $3.1 per video. So right now I'm doing that for the testing purposes. That's why I'm going with the least resolution, which will be 480 pixel, and it will cost me $0.5 per every video. And here I'll just go with send. So about the costing, it basically depends on the Kai AI. Let me like show you quickly. So if I go to my Kai, and then if I go to the market like this, and here we'll get an option called the billing. If we just open that, you can see that I have 795 credits. So if you spend like $5, you will get 1000 credits. If you spend like $50, you will get 10,000 credits. So whatever package goes with the best, just buy that so that you can use the Seedance 2.0 inside this platform. Because Seedance 2.0 is not free, you must have to go through one of the packages. So that's the thing in here about the costing. So here you can see that I already set up everything, my Kai AI, and also the upload post, and also the resolution. So right now the most important thing we have to check that is the skills works or not. So for that, I'll just give a simple request, and then we'll see that is the video generations work, and also it uploads that to my social media platforms or not. To do that, in here we have to use the Claude code, because to use the skill you can't use the Claude chat or like Claude Cowork, because the problem is it can't get access to the terminal. So that's why it can't pass the sandbox. So that's why we have to use Claude code. And also if you want, you can use a command box to get access to the Claude code, and then you can actually use that because the skill is already added to your Claude system and you can use the skill from anywhere. And the most easiest way to get access to the Claude code is from here. You will just go with code section and that's it. And after coming to the Claude code, I simply have to give the request that I want to make a video on this topic, a POV video, and upload that to these platforms. So in here, let me say that make a POV video. What would happen if a Zenji guy suddenly wake up in ancient Rome? And after that, I'll say that which are the platforms I want to work with. I'll go with upload the video to my Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and also X. And after that, let me just go with send. So now you can see that it started the work and it's showing me that there's the prompt it's using. And in this meantime, while generating the video, let me show you also like how I made the scale, how I actually get the ideas, kind of like this thing. So basically to make the scale in here, I used the Claude. I had given all of the ideas, like what kind of things it really needed to actually work with that. What are the tools you have to use. So the first thing, it's about giving understanding about the Kai AI. So if you just kind of like go to the Kai AI, and then if you go to one of the models, in this case, I want to make the scale on Seedance 2.0, right? So if I go to my Seedance 2.0, and after that, you will get an option called API. And here you'll get like how the API really works, how it actually give the request, and also how it actually give the response. Kind of like copy the whole link, and then if you go to the Claude and then you say, you know what, this is the tool I want to use the Seedance 2.0, and here's all of the API documentation about this tool, so use this to make the scale. After that, you also have to say that here's the another MCP tool which is called upload post, and then you have to just kind of like go to the doc section, and again if you just kind of like copy the whole thing just by going to the read docs, and then you just copy also this kind of stuffs, and then you have to just give that to the Claude, and then you say that you know what, I want to use the Seedance 2.0 from the Kai AI. I already had given the documentations, and after just generating the video, you have to use the upload post, and here's the documentation, and you have to just kind of like make the scale on that. It's very simple to make a scale on any topic, you know what, because we have the base models right now inside the Claude, which is the Opus 4.7, and it's worked very well to make this kind of stuff. So I'm gonna go to my Claude, and I think it's kind of like working really well. So you can see there's the bash command it's using, and it's showing me that it's done, and soon we can actually see the video in here. And also in here, if you want to actually see the request, like what kind of things really happening in the background, also you can do that. So to do that, you have to just kind of like go to the Kai AI simply, and then you have to go to your market like this, and then if you go to the log section, you can see that this video has been successfully generated, which is this one. If I go to the results, okay, and then if I just open the video like this, literally awesome. Okay, so it's kind of like showing that, oh, just a modern boy just suddenly just wake up in a ancient Rome, but he's kind of like a Genji guy, but suddenly it's found that, oh, what happens? So you can understand that the video is kind of like funny and also very engaging. So if I started to upload these kind of videos to all of my platforms, it's kind of like costing me $0.5 for one video, and for uploading, basically it's not costing me anything because I need the subscription upload post, and which is costing me like $28 I guess every month, like sorry, $24 per month, and for one video it's like $0.5. and if I upload like 2 videos a day, which is costing me like $1, and that's like $24, and $1 into 30, it means $30, and yes, like $24 means $54 every month. If I cost like $54 to all of my social media platforms, this system uploading almost like 60 videos, 60. And just understand that if one of the videos get 1 million views or like 2 million views, and I believe that these kind of videos will get thousands of views very easily, so it will be very much easy for me to gain so many followers. And the best thing is like I don't have to go with only one platform. For example, if I go with the pricing here, you can see that for $24 I can go with like 5 profiles. It's mean in the place of users I can add 5 profiles, and for every profile I can add all the social media platforms, and I can upload that same video to all of the platforms, because only I need the money for generating the video. I don't need the money to actually upload that, because I already kind of like getting the subscription from the upload post, so I can actually use that more and more time, because the limitation to upload is unlimited. Only have to just be a little bit conscious, don't upload too much, otherwise they will shadow ban you. So if you kind of like follow some strategies while uploading, kind of like uploading at a specific time every day, then I believe that the social media will not shadow ban you, because there are many accounts right now in the social media, they kind of like using these kind of strategies to upload this kind of contents, and you're actually thinking that maybe they actually are doing everything manually, but the truth is they are not. They are using this kind of systems, and which allowing them automatically to manage all of their social media platforms. The thing is, like, it will take some months maybe, or like maybe 1 month if you're very lucky, to gain a good followers, and after that you notice that you are getting very good brand deals, and from that you also can make a very good amount of money, and it can work a very good side hustle for you, because you don't have to give so much time, maybe like 10 minutes a day or like 5 minutes a day, only kind of like giving the request to the Claude. But make sure that your Claude is turned on in the background while doing this task. And I mean that when you give a request to Claude, whatever request, and after just kind of like giving the request before getting the response, if you shut down the Claude, what's gonna happen, Claude also turn off that session, you know. But if you just think about like N10 or this kind of platforms, it can run in the background, but over the Claude it can't do that. Maybe they will soon kind of like find out something, a way where user can easily use the Claude without like turning on that in the background. So in here, back in the video, it's saying me there's the video URL. So every time it will show you the video before uploading, and it says that it will expire in 24 hours. In this 24 hours you can download that or just, you know, keep that. So let me kind of like just go with click, and I can see that it's asking me to download the video. If I just go with save that, and here's the video. Okay, awesome. And it's saying me just reply yes to upload that to your platforms. So in this case, I'll just go with yes, upload that please. Every time after just watching the video, you have to say yes or no. You will say no, then it will ask that do you want to completely just turn off this session, or like do you want to tweak the prompt. So it's kind of like you're just chatting with AI model, and the AI model just doing everything for you. So in here you can see that it says that it posted successfully. So let me kind of like go to my X at first, and I can see there's the video, and there's the AI generated caption, and how beautifully it actually given the caption in here. Awesome. And if I go to my Facebook in here, so in here I already told you that I'm using the Facebook page, so I can see there's the video, and again you can see another caption specifically for the Facebook audiences. And then if I go to my Instagram, you can see there's the reel in here, the same video but with different caption specifically for the Instagram users. And now if I go to my YouTube, I can see here's the video, and again with a different title. And as like this, I can upload video also to my TikTok, to my LinkedIn, in Pinterest, Reddit, Threads, Blue Sky, kind of like this thing. And here also I want to save that if you want to upload videos to Facebook, then sometime you need the Facebook page ID. So to do that, you only have to just go to your Facebook page, and they will get the Facebook page ID very easily. And after that, you have to give the Facebook page ID to your Claude, and that's it. So that was the whole video. I hope that this video helped you. If yes, then please drop a like. And if you're new in this channel, please subscribe, and let me know in the comment box which video you want next on Claude. I'll be happy to make video on this topic. And also, if you're really interested to learn more about AI, then you can join my private school community, the Hello AI. Inside there with the skills, you can get access to all of my premium level lessons on these trending AI tools. And also we do live session calls where you can join and ask me anything there. So yes, that's all I want to share with you. See you with a new video. Till then, peace.